Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of turmeric, a spice that has been cherished for centuries. We will uncover 10 hidden benefits of incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine. This simple yet powerful drink can transform your health in ways you might not expect. Turmeric, a vibrant spice with a long history in traditional medicine, has been used for its healing properties for thousands of years. It is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help combat a variety of ailments and improve overall well-being. When consumed as part of a balanced lifestyle, turmeric water can offer a range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, the advantages are numerous. So without further ado, let's explore the incredible advantages of this golden elixir. Stay tuned as we dive deep into each benefit and learn how you can easily incorporate turmeric water into your daily routine for a healthier, happier life. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is known for its remarkable health benefits. Curcumin has been extensively studied and shown to have immune-boosting properties that can help your body stay resilient. It works by stimulating the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. These white blood cells play a vital role in fighting off infections and diseases, keeping you healthy and protected. Regular consumption of turmeric water can help strengthen your body's natural defenses, making it a simple yet effective way to boost your immunity. By incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you can become less susceptible to common illnesses like colds and the flu, ensuring you and your family stay healthy. For optimal absorption, it's beneficial to consume turmeric along with black pepper. The combination enhances the effectiveness of curcumin. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances curcumin's bioavailability, ensuring your body can fully benefit from turmeric's powerful properties. So, next time you prepare a meal or a drink, consider adding a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric to maximize its health benefits. Turmeric has long been recognized for its digestive benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Turmeric water can also stimulate the production of bile, a digestive fluid that aids in the breakdown of fats. Incorporating turmeric water into your evening routine may promote healthy digestion and alleviate occasional digestive discomfort. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many health problems. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. It works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing pain and swelling. Regular consumption of turmeric water can help reduce systemic inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. Chapter 4 improves skin health. Turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties extend to skin health. Curcumin can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and skin problems. Turmeric water may help reduce acne, improve skin tone, and promote a healthy glow. However, it's important to note that turmeric can temporarily stain the skin, so it's best to consume it in the evening. Chapter 5 promotes weight loss. While turmeric water is not a magic weight loss solution, it may support your weight management efforts. Curcumin has been shown to boost metabolism and increase the number of calories your body burns at rest. Additionally, turmeric water can help regulate blood sugar levels, which may reduce cravings and prevent overeating. Chapter 6 enhances mood. Turmeric's benefits extend beyond physical health. Studies suggest that curcumin may have mood-boosting effects. It is thought to work by increasing levels of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that play a role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine may help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Chapter 7 Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. Turmeric water may help support heart health due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin can help lower levels of LDL or bad cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. These effects can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Chapter 8 Detoxifies the Body. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from the environment and the foods we eat. Turmeric contains compounds that support the liver, the body's primary detoxification organ. Consuming turmeric water can help enhance liver function, aiding in the removal of toxins from the body. Chapter 9 regulates blood sugar. For individuals with or at risk of type 2 diabetes, turmeric water may offer benefits in regulating blood sugar levels. Curcumin has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which helps cells utilize glucose from the bloodstream more effectively. This can help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Chapter 10 improves sleep quality. A good night's sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Turmeric water, consumed in the evening, may promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. The calming effects of turmeric, combined with its potential to reduce inflammation and pain, can contribute to a more restful sleep. Outro incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health and well-being. This ancient remedy has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is now catching up to its numerous benefits. By making this small addition to your evening ritual, you can support your body's natural processes and promote overall wellness. From boosting immunity to improving sleep, the benefits of this golden elixir are numerous. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, support a healthy immune system, and even improve cognitive function. Additionally, drinking turmeric water before bed can help you relax and enjoy a more restful sleep. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs, and ensure that turmeric water is a safe and beneficial addition to your routine. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Your support helps me create more content that can guide you on your journey to better health. Feel free to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from incorporating turmeric water into their nightly routine. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released, ensuring you never miss out on valuable health and wellness information. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing more tips and insights with you soon.